This is Tuesday, about 9:30. This is what's left of the storm, the blizzard, and it's quite heavy, the snow. And the funny thing was that the van never had got any snow on it. This is what the van looked like before and after the storm, or after the blizzard. In the back, the Avalon has snow on it. I had a cover on it. The cover kind of blew off, halfway off. The Corolla had snow on it, but I cleaned that off. And that's where we are as of now. Plenty of snow. But the garbage men aren't coming today. They're coming tomorrow. Change the date. Alright, so that's it.